Yeah, it's a good thing we're able to tie the series at 1-1 because 0-2 is really hard to come back. Although in the past, nagagawa namin yun, but this time, it's really hard for a team like Ginebra. They're really playing well. And then what happened in the fourth quarter is it's a pure guts. Para kay Jeron because the first game, I was not able to use him because of something in my mind, and then I felt guilty ako ng first game, hindi ko na siya sinagamit, and then after that game kinabukas sa practice, I told him, so be ready, and I have to appreciate him because he's really a professional, no question, no complaint, talagang niya. And then this time sabi ko sa kanya, your time will come anytime. And it happens today. And happy, congrats kay Jeron, dahil very professional siya. Hindi niya pinababayaan sarili niya to get in shape every day. That's why nung first game, sabi ko, ulitin ko, guilty ako sa kanya at hindi ko nagamit. But today, there's a lot of guts na ginawa namin, a different combination, and then talagang forced to do something new para sa amin, and then nag-click I think that's the reason.
Can I open the floor to questions from the media?
Coach, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Coach, San Miguel, Ginebra ended your 10-game winning streak. The last time ngayon kayo naman nag-end yung 8-game winning streak. Just your thoughts about that.
I think that's a winning streak often give us a lot of pressure because we want to continue the streak but it's really hard, and I told them at the start of the series, so back to zero. Those things nangyayari sa elimination through quarterfinals is already the thing of the past. So 0-0 because we know na Ginebra is really on a streak din and then they are really high confidence sila Kaya nakita natin ng first game talagang out-hustled kami, outrun everything. But this player, our players naman is in shape and then nanatili yung pride nila And we don't want to lose again at 2 in a row. And at the same time, we're not thinking yung streak na kailangan putulin namin against Ginebra. But I'm so happy with the players, especially yung bench. Right now, almost 50-50 sila. Unlike nung last game, nakita natin ang discrepancy, 60-30. 66 or 33%. But today, I think 45-55 ito. And at the same time, so we have a lot of assists at 23. Okay? Against Ginebra, you cannot do that And buti na lang. And a shooting percentage namin is still 41, but a possession naman almost the same. But it's all hustle and heart para din sa mga, lalo na itong katabi ko.
Jeron, good evening. Jeron, naging motivation ba sa'yo yung hindi ka ginamit during the series opener and at least kanina sa first half, second half siya na yata may pasok ko?
As a player, syempre mentality ko right now is just being ready whenever my number is called. I think this game na to, matured na ako, so I just, focus on controlling. Yung focus ko is controlling what I have control of, and that is to be ready every time my number is called. And ako naman, I'm just here to really help out the team, whatever the team needs me to do. So I'm all for us to win. I'm all for winning championship. I owe it to, Boss Ramon and for Boss Al for putting me in San Miguel uniform. So, as a player, just do what I'm paid to do, and that is just being ready whenever my number is called.
Jeron, was it also a challenge na si RJ Abayet kasi bumubuha sa isang game?
Well, right now, di na ako namimili ng challenge ko anong tapat sa akin. I'm just up for it. We all know Abarrientos is one heck of a player, so I just have to give my 100% guarding him, and not just only him, but we respect all the players of Ginebra. We know how good of a team they are, especially with Coach Tim, and we know na from player 1 to 15, we all have to step up in this series in order for us to win.
So na lang, Coach, sabi mo kanina, guilty ka, hindi mo nagamit si Jeron. Ngayon, katabi mo na siya, mas magagamit ba siya nakakamit
With his performance today, I think he's included in our rotation. He has a different role eh. Makikita niyo during the elimination, iba yung role na ginagawa niya eh. And then I told him yesterday during our practice na be ready. And that's what because I never doubted his professionalism. Makikita nyo, kahit anong gawin sa kanya, walang complain o reklamo, ganyan. But just like he said, what he said, he can control what he can control. Yun ang nangyayari. And when it comes to attitude, I think he's one of the best.
Coach, yung bang kanina kasi si Jeron depensa niya sila RJ and Scotty, parte talaga yun ng game plan, pati yung opensa niya parang marami siyang part ba yun ng game plan na maging aggressive this time?
Yeah, isa yun dahil last time talaga tinalo kami ni RJ eh. He scored 21 points. I think a lot of 3 points from their big match, and the good thing is hindi lang si RJ ang kailangan namin bantayan eh. Ang katulad ni Ralph Co. So hindi siya nakapag-contribute heavily unlike last game. I think 13 points, 4 3-point shoots ginawa niya, and then andun din si Torres, and then there's a lot of gamble in our team just trying to have advantage on matchup whether it's a big or small. Makita nyo kanina nag-small ball kami with Jeron. He can play 1, 2, 3, 4 and that's the reason why he has a very important role in our team.
And that ends our post-game press conference. Congratulations, gentlemen. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.